English Tip by Tip. Weekly. Tip 88 to Tip 92. English Tip by Tip.
Tip 88.
Secrets of the Seasons.
Northern Hemisphere, Southern Hemisphere. Winter, cold days. Spring, warm days. Summer, hot days. Autumn, cool days. Northern Hemisphere, Southern Hemisphere. Winter, spring, summer, autumn. North of the equator, winter. December, January, February, spring. March, April, May, summer. June, July, August, autumn. September, October, November. South of the equator, winter. June, July, August, spring. September, October, November, summer. December, January, February, autumn. March, April, May. Tip 88. Exercise. Fishing. In summer, we have hot days. Spain is located in the Northern Hemisphere. In December will be winter. In Andorra, spring is a warm season. South Africa is located in the Southern Hemisphere.
English Tip by Tip.
Tip 89.
Dealing with ICE.
Know your rights. U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement, ICE, is the largest investigative arm of the Department of Homeland Security, DHS. It is charged with preventing terrorist and criminal activity by targeting the people, money, and materials that support terrorist and criminal organizations.
What happened? During her inaugural visit to the U.S., Mary felt increasingly apprehensive about potential encounters with ICE agents. Her friend John, possessing extensive local knowledge, stepped in to provide essential guidance. He emphasized the importance of maintaining composure above all else. John explained that, should she be pulled over while driving, she is obligated to keep her hands visible on the steering wheel and is required to present her documentation upon request. Furthermore, he strongly advised her against signing any legal papers unless a lawyer is present. Ultimately, John insisted that being well informed about these legal rights is the most effective way for Mary to ensure her safety and fully enjoy her stay. Dialogue.
Hey, since you're visiting the U.S., you should know what to do if an ICE agent stops you. It's rare for tourists, but it's better to be prepared.
Thanks, John. What's the first thing I should do?
Stay calm. Don't run. Just ask them, "Am I free to go?" If they say yes, walk away slowly.
What if I'm driving and they pull me over?
Pull over safely and keep your hands on the wheel where they can see them. As the driver, you must show your driver's license and registration if asked.
And if the agent wants to search my car?
Say clearly, "I do not consent to a search." Unless they have a warrant or probable cause, they generally need your permission.
Should I show them my passport or visa then?
You can show your tourist documents to prove your legal stay, but never sign any papers without a lawyer. Just say, I won't sign anything until I speak to an attorney.
Got it. Stay calm, keep my hands visible, and don't sign anything.
Exercise.
Complete.
If an agent stops you on the street, you should ask, "Am I free to go?" You have the right to remain silent. If an agent asks to search your car, you can say, "I do not consent to a search." Never sign any documents until you have had the chance to speak with an attorney.
English tip by tip.
Tip 90.
Weather basics.
The weather can be rainy. It's warm. Sunny. It's hot. Cloudy. It's chilly. Foggy. It's cold. Snowy. It's cold. Windy. It's mild. Stormy. It's warm. Exercise. Make questions for the answers. My favorite season is summer because sun is ever shining.
What's your favorite season and why?
My favorite season is summer because sun is ever shining. Yes, normally it's hot during summer.
Is it ever hot during summer?
Yes, normally it's hot during summer. I prefer sunny weather because I feel happier.
Do you prefer sunny or rainy weather and why?
I prefer sunny weather because I feel happier. Today was difficult to drive because it was foggy.
Why was it difficult to drive today?
Today was difficult to drive because it was foggy. I didn't go to the supermarket today because it was raining a lot.
Why didn't you go to the supermarket today?
I didn't go to the supermarket today because it was raining a lot.
English tip by tip.
Tip 91. Vacation versus holiday. USA. Holiday. Specific day or period of days when work or school is suspended for a special occasion like Christmas or Thanksgiving. Vacation. Period of time away from work or school, often for leisure, travel, or relaxation. Taking extended time off. UK. Holiday. Period of time away from work or school for leisure, travel, or relaxation. It can also refer to a specific day or period of days when work or school is suspended, like a public holiday. Vacation. Not commonly used in British English. Exercise. Complete as suggested. My last vacation was wonderful. I spent almost 30 days traveling. First, we went by train from Barcelona to Paris. We spent almost 8 hours traveling, but the landscape is wonderful, especially in the Alps. Then we flew to São Paulo, Brazil. We spent a week in São Paulo. It was very enlightening. I never believed São Paulo was so cosmopolitan. Then another flight to Recife, which I must confess surprised me to be a so modern city. We only stayed in Recife for 3 days and then another flight to Fernando de Noronha. And that's when my vacation became spectacular. Diving, relaxing, eating, and drinking wonderfully until the day we made our way back. I must confess that I had no desire to go back.
English tip by tip.
Tip 92.
Can versus may. Can denotes ability or capacity. Example: I can speak English. May indicates permission or a possibility. Example: may I come in? Water can boil. It may rain.
Dialogue.
Tom, we need to finalize the project timeline. Can you handle the software integration part?
I believe so. I can certainly manage the coding, but I may need some assistance from the design team for the interface. There's a possibility our current approach isn't sufficient.
Okay, you may use the junior designer for an hour a day if that helps.
That can make a significant difference. When can we schedule a meeting with the client to confirm the scope?
We may be able to meet tomorrow afternoon, depending on their availability. I can check my calendar now.
Great. May I present the preliminary mock-ups during that meeting? I think the client may appreciate the visual progress.
Yes, you may do that. I can prepare the presentation slides for you this evening.
Thanks, Sarah.
Exercise. Fishing. She can swim very fast. May I borrow your pen? Yes, you may. Go to the party. The company can fire the employee. For sure he may attend the meeting if he can.
English tip by tip. Weekly. Tip 88 to tip 92.
Please subscribe to the channel, not to miss any tip. Please share it to your friends.